Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here the compound is given with 8 carbon atom with conjugated double bond and cation and 2 hydrogens. That hydrogen delta values are different. One is 3.37, one is minus 0.15. You have to guess why there is two different values in the NMR. The answer lies in the aromaticity. By looking at the plain sight, you might commit a mistake. The compound is the non-planar compound. But what really happens is one carbon go out of the plane, create the conjugation and planarity for the aromaticity. So it's a special kind of aromaticity called homoaromaticity. It's created by artificial conjugation by lifting of a carbon. By the aromaticity creation, you are creating the ring current which is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic ring current seal the hydrogen there. So the hydrogen in the shielding region has low chemical shift. The hydrogen in the de-shielding region have high chemical shift. That's why the hydrogen inside the ring current has minus 0.15 chemical shift. The given compound has two different type of chemical shift due to the aromaticity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.